G'day guys, welcome to another week of FriBaT, Friday Beers and Tools. Got something a little bit different this week, but let's start with the beer. This week we're reviewing the Mountain Goat Pale Ale. This is brewed in Victoria, Australia, at the Mountain Goat Brewery. Happy Friday. Very hoppy. Mountain Goat is 1.4 standard drinks in the stubby, 5.2%. This spiel goes, it's an American style pale ale using a variety of US hops to deliver full flavoured aromatic brew laden with pine, citrus and fruity goodness. It's quite a hoppy beer, but definitely got the citrus and the fruity there. Probably a little bit more than what I like. Yeah, it's not bad though. 5.2%, it's got a kick. Not bad. I'd give it a solid 3.5 spanners out of 5. Mountain Goat Pale Ale. Okay, this week's tool review and unboxing is, as you can see, a Makita brushless lawnmower. I'm old school. I've always had petrol, gasoline powered mowers. Battery technology's come a long way, and I've finally bitten the bullet. Going to try one of these electric fellas. Those will know already. I'm pretty big into my Makita LXT 18 volt range, and this is an 18 volt, although twin 18 volt 36 volt mower. See how my knees go sitting down here. So this is the Makita DLM 461 PG2. Bought it from one of the reputable tool shops in Darwin recently, and got a few extras with it, including an extra 5 ampere battery. Let's have a look and see what's in the box. So, as you probably are aware, I normally buy skins. Well, this was a pretty good deal to buy. It was on a special price. It includes the 2 battery fast charger. It also comes standard with 2 6 ampere hour batteries. And some assembly required, as you can see. I'll just get that bit done and then I'll show you the mower itself. Okay, fairly minor assembly required. Comes with a position for the handle angle, which is just 2 of these quick spin-ons. And then 2 more with a scalloped edge. Okay, so assembly's nice and easy. Obviously I'm not going to run it inside the house here. Your 2 batteries go into the top here. So it also comes with a mulching attachment. Interesting looking thing. And the catcher, soft catcher, I guess designed to save weight. Comes with a couple of these little plugs to hold your cables in the right position. Alrighty, a little bit about the mower. As I mentioned, this is the DLM 461 PG2 kit. It has a 460mm width or 18-inch cut. It takes the two 18 volt batteries, as I mentioned, and comes with the dual port rapid charger. It has a high powered brushless motor that spins at 3300 RPM, and it has an automatic torque drive, so when you encounter thick grass, etc., the motor actually ramps up in torque. It has a 2-tooth bar blade, which I haven't looked at yet, so we'll tip her over and have a look. Two-toothed bar blade. And it has a 60 litre soft catcher, as I mentioned, and also the mulching bucket that goes in when you're not using the catcher. It weighs 26.4 kilos bare without the batteries as it stands at the moment, and it has a recommended towing area of 800 square metres. I don't know what that is in feet, I'll put it up here. As I said, it got it on a deal, came with the extra 5 amp hour battery, which I think are worth about 120 bucks Australian, and it also comes with, the kit is available with a redemption of a DVB 184Z blower, Makita blower, 18 volt blower, which obviously by redemption it's yet to arrive, and I'll do a review on it later. So obviously I'll do a further review once I've actually used it out cutting the grass, especially now that we're coming into the build-up season here in the Northern Territory, and let you know how it goes in the faster growing grass as the rains come. So far, very impressed with it. It seems well made, which is what you expect from Makita. It is a steel base plate. I guess time will tell how long it will last. My poor old petrol mower is on its last legs, and so rather than buy another petrol mower, because of the acreage that we're going to in Tasmania, I'm going to get a 0-turn mower for the bulk of that. Having an electric one for around the house made a bit of sense, so anyway, we'll give it a go. Price for this kit was $799 Australian. And did include, as I said, the extra battery and the blower by redemption, which is worth about $200, I think. Anyway, that's it for this week. I won't do a beer review on this or a star review on it until I've actually used it, and we'll get back to you about that. Have a good Friday. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.